Welcome to lesson 6, and the topic of this lesson is what are the danger signs that you should look out for during the first trimester. I'm going to list about 5 or 6 thereby. They are very dangerous things. If you happen to notice any of these, kindly go to the hospital or call your doctor immediately, because this can have a big effect on your pregnancy or a big effect on the outcome of your pregnancy. Some of these are: if you have headaches, very frequent headaches that are not going away; if you have vaginal discharge and a lot of itching and frequent urination, you should also visit the doctor, because this can be signs of a UTI. The headache can be a sign of high blood pressure. If you have vaginal bleeding, it's also a bad sign or a danger sign. It could be a sign that you're miscarrying, or a sign that some things are not right. Another thing, if you have excessive nausea and vomiting, you should also seek immediate medical attention, because when you keep on vomiting and all that, you're losing a lot of minerals, you're losing a lot of nutrients, and it is not good for you, and you need some medical attention. What is the other is there any other? I think those are the very core danger signs: bleeding, headaches, excessive nausea and vomiting, itching, that is vaginally, having discharge, painful urination. I think I combined them. That is why they appeared as if they are just 4. So there are 6. Kindly see your doctor so that you can be fixed. Let me say that. So those are the danger signs that you should look out for, and I hope you're enjoying these lessons. If you have a question, please ask. So I'll see you in the next lecture.